the sound of the coming of the Holy Spirit. Lahat po sila ay naligtas. Yung sound na yun ay dala-dala ninyo. Let that sound be heard wherever you go. That sound from heaven will crush Jericho. You destroy the gates of hell. That sound lives in you. My God, this is another Pentecost. Much greater than the day of Pentecost. Pag may nagtanong, ano nangyari sa inyo, Living Like Jesus Youth? Isa lang ang sagot ninyo, we are possessed by God! Possessed by God! Possessed by God! Nations of the world, do you see this? The Living Like Jesus Youth. Wala pa mga pastor, wala pa ang congregation, only the youth. Kami-kami lang, kaya namin paligtarin ang Pilipinas at buong mundo.